It says right here, many low melt metals, 150 degree. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. 400 degrees on metal casting. But I know I'll be getting up over 400 degrees to melt that pewter down. One time we got a swing in my grandparents' house and had a little tag on it that said rated for 350 pounds. But I know good and well that swing held all three of my aunts on it. A lot of times I think companies would just say something to give themselves a little bit of protection. Crap, man, don't breathe that stuff. I'm holding my breath right now. I got the hot pot plugged in. We also got a little thermometer right here. We got a little ways to go on that temperature. In my previous video, I got kind of carried away with these and started making quite a little handful of them. So I got probably 5 of these, 4 of these things right here. So I figured I could spare one of them. That's where we at on the metal right there. Close to 450. Now obviously I poured away too much. And see all that, I gotta sand, I gotta grind, file all that back down, and gotta drill through that right there, but you know,